to my channels. Today I'm gonna tell you how to prepare for the civil services exam. The first step is understanding the job. In this step we see what is the exam conducted for, what is the purpose for the exam, and which jobs does the exam cater to. The UPSC conducts the exam every year for 20 services which belong to both Group A and Group B. We need to understand each of these and what are their duties, responsibilities, and decide if we are actually interested in them. The next stage is to understand the pattern of the exam. The exam is conducted in 3 stages every year: prelims, mains, and the interview. The prelims consist of 2 papers, paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 is a general knowledge exam, whereas paper 2 is based on aptitude. Paper 1 helps to deduct the cutoff for the next stage, whereas paper 2 you have to qualify with a score of 40%. Exam consists of 9 papers, each consisting of 250 marks. The 2 papers are given for language, 4 for the general studies including ethics, 2 for the optional and 1 for the essay. The language paper is for qualifying, whereas all the other papers are included for the merit list. After this, there is an interview stage which consists of 275 marks, and the merit list is prepared on the basis of the interview as well as the 7 exams conducted during the mains. The next step is to have a habit of reading the newspaper. UPSC has been asking a lot of current-based questions in the last few years. Therefore, it is important to follow any national English daily newspaper. Next thing you need to read are the basic books. These are important for the development of concept and basic understanding. Most of these books are easily available at your nearest bookstores. After having the basic understanding about the exam, you need to decide your optional. The UPSC gives a list of subjects which can be chosen for your optional exam. At this stage of the exam, you need to start preparing your optional as well as start reading the advanced level books for different subjects such as Lakshmikant for Indian polity, G.C. Leong for Indian geography, Spectrum for modern history, and Shankar I.S. Environmental Ecology book. This is the most important stage as it helps to put your reading into actual practice by writing answers as well as doing mock tests. Finally, the last step is to find the topics and the subjects where you're weak at and revise them continuously. Thank you.